These teams which are just about reaching that level, they will be brilliant for a time being. But suddenly there will be a dip also. But with India, because we are so established, so solid, and we've been playing top cricket in all three formats, so you will find somebody will stand up. Like we were down when Ashwin and Jadeja came 6 wickets down. So Bangladesh had that chance. And after that Pakistan trip, they looked very confident. The body language was very good, and they had India on the mat. But suddenly, we find, because good teams will always find a way to come back. And then after that, once that happened, then they could not catch up. But they have become a better team. And the way they beat Pakistan, they are being rated now. And India is taking them seriously. But we had better players, we had more match winners. And it was proven that we won the game. Yeah, he is amazing. The kind of variety he's got, the kind of what he brings, the core competency he's got in various departments. Like batting, he's got 600. Yeah, he's got 30 hauls of 5 wickets and more, and he is amazing. And he also was struggling to be in the Indian team for a while, and so it shows that he is really not giving up. He's really fighting for his place and still performing. And the kind of situation he brought India back from there, that was too good, and that shows that, his temperament is very important with talent. And if you have to survive, then you'll have to have this kind of grit. See, Rishabh Pant, I've seen since he was a kid. I made him the Delhi captain also, the way he plays. And sometimes I used to feel that you can temper it down, but he is like this. And, he'll play these audacious shots and all. And the way he's come back, Dhruv Jurel, I thought was brilliant. And, the kind of player just sitting on the benches, he's made a comeback and he performed well in the World Cup also. So I just met him at the Premier League and I was so happy. And he's looking to be more mature now, because, something like this happens in your life. It just makes you think that, things can change so fast. So just having talent and everything, at your feet doesn't actually confirm that everything will go like this. And now with this setback, I think India will have a very mature, very established, very temperamentally sound player with this talent. And the way he has played, even in the first innings, the kind of inning, but he'll play like this. So people who say that he has to change and according to situation, don't bother with him. Because these kind of players make every format interesting. We need characters actually. If everybody is very mature and very stable, then there is no fun in watching. We need some characters who take certain situations funny, or maybe even bothering the match referee also. But they actually should be. They actually express their character, and we need more players like him. And not the way he plays, but the kind of enthusiasm. We need that kind of zest and the kind of spark and that kind of presence on the field. And I wish there were more players like him. So you can see that we are not missing the players who've retired, because we got these players. Shubman Gill is there. Jaiswal is another talent. The way he's batting is amazing. So I think it's very hard to get into the Indian team now. But we've got 3 formats. We've got so many A tours. So everybody's involved, and then everybody looks forward to IPL. But the Indian structure, the Indian conveyor belt, is so solid that we'll get players like this, because the ecosystem is so good, and BCCI has done a wonderful job with the states getting the money. No talent can slip through, because I was just doing Delhi Premier League, and every state has got the league. So you can identify talent, and people who were struggling to be seen will be noticed now. The Shubman, I consider 1, 2, 3 as opener only, basically. So there is no middle order certified jobs. Tendulkar started at 4 or 5. Virendra Sehwag got his first test match at 6, I think. And look at that, So I think if you are there and team situation, Sana Jayasuriya, he played the first match at number 11. So you can never say if you've got talent and if you perform, because if you are, a gritty guy who's fighting and who's not giving up, then you can manage. Because talent, because of this cricket format these days, you will get chances. But I consider Shubman Gill as an opener. It doesn't matter, because, even if you're middle order and your team has done well, the second new ball you have to face. So no such thing, because these days, these micro things, nobody bothers with. Because we are playing T20, so they are all adapt, and they play aggressive cricket. Nobody plays a session with like Cheteshwar Pujara kind of players, Hashim Amla kind of players. Days are gone. Because that's why we are seeing test match results in 4 days.